Hello, good afternoon, sir. Today I'm discussing about CRUD operations in mongodb. We are firstly we go to our terminal. It is your CMD. Now, firstly we are going to create. No. Firstly we are not going to firstly create. We are firstly going to here. These are some mongodb commands which we are using. Firstly, what are CRUD operations? We are exploring this. CRUD operation means C. C stands for creating the database. R stands for reading the data. U stands for updating the data, and D stands for deleting the data. These are CRUD operations which are performing in every database, is like SQL, MySQL, and MongoDB. MongoDB. Now, after that, firstly we are going to creating our database. We are going to our this. Now, firstly clear the screen. Now this is clear the screen. Now, firstly we are going to use creating our data name is like a tours. No, creating our data name. This name is picnic. Okay, now we are creating our database. This is our collection where which are created first collection picnic. Now db dot tours dot. Firstly, you are going to insert. Firstly, you are going to creating a database. So firstly, you are going to db dot create doors dot db dot tours dot insert. There are two types of data. There are two types to creating the database. Just like that, one is only one, second is many. Now exploring on this. Firstly, we're going to insert one. Now we're inserting one database, creating database now, which our name is name in string value. Take. After that, we are going to we are firstly going to city. Which city we are from? Just like we are from Dadri. From Dadri. Now, after that, age 21. It's not the string value. Now we're going to exploring this. Now our database is created. So how to check our database? How to check our database and our data? So we have different way using find function to checking the database. Now start. We are going to start here. db dot with your name of collection dot or data name tours dot find function. Now if we hit enter, our data is here. Now name, place, city, Dadri, and age. These are our which are exploring on this. After that, now if you are system, if we are using this function, this dot tours dot find dot property. This function for you using this function, we are our data is in systematic values like that. This is our object or ID name. This is our name. This is our city. This is our age. Now, After that, we are going to hear explaining how to insert many data. It's like a different the student data, just like about one or two or more. So we are going to hear tb dot. We're going to a tours dot insert many. After that, in this bracket, we are using name Rahul. After that, it's city in a string value money. After that, we are going to hear the next one is age. Age is 22. After that, we are going to hear and we are exploring this now. If we hit now, we are again starting on new data, new student of data. It's like its name. Now it's city. The city name is Hisar. Now it's age 22. What is the Raul? This is 20. Now we hit enter. Now we will save. If we are creating more data, just like we are exploring one more data. And string value Zushi. After that, it's city. Now after that, it's age. Age 19. Now bracket close. I mean bracket close. Now we hit enter. Document now not function. Okay. We getting error. Okay. Okay. So it's all okay. So there we go. We are getting error. It isn't showing. Its age is okay. Now after that, we are using this many function. The many. Document map is not a function. Is 19. Especially we are going to do here document map function is mongodb. We're getting a simple thing. Okay, we are getting at these things. Okay. We forgetting about this. Firstly, we're going to here. Now we're using a string method. It's an array. After that, we are getting this error. Now we hit enter. Not here, not here. Here. Now we hit enter. Now our data is created. Now it's how to checking our data. It's the same thing. db.data, which name is stores dot find dot pretty. Now we enter. Now this is our data is created. Praise, Rahul, Raman, and Trish. Now this is our creating a data. This is our creating our data in different ways like only one and many. This is our create operation. Now we're going to our reading operation. Now firstly we're going to reading in different ways, just like if we are using a db dot stores dot ready. So first we are going to find. We are exploring this. This name is this name is Rahul. We are using this function in the string value. Its name is Rahul. Now bracket will close. Now main bracket is closed. Now dot pretty for systematic way. Now we enter and we are getting Rahul's data. These are data we are getting. This. After that, this is our first reading operation we are using. After that, we are going to here and checking at different ways. If we are going to here and different db.toast find on which way if we get, now we hit enter. Now we're going to here and exploring age. Now we using this function less than not less than greater than okay less than just like we are using less than age, we are using this age less than 20. Raman says 20 and 21. Okay, less than age 21. Now we control s say then we are going to here. Now we dot pretty function. Now we enter. Okay. We're forgetting about this some brackets. Now we are going to here. Okay, we are again getting this. Dot find in which in this we are using age parameter. Age parameter we are going to here. Now age less than using a dollar age less than equals to 21. Now bracket will be closed. Now another bracket will be closed. Now main bracket will be closed and dot enter. We're getting database is having a age less than 21 and Raman is age 20 and Rishi is 19. But my age is if you're going to exploring this it's showing this if we are going to here db data stores dot find on which dot ready. Now we are using the is 20 and 19 is shown, not 21 is shown because here you exploring less than if you are using less than equal to now we enter it's showing please also trade Vishal and Rotak. There's Rishi. Now it's showing this different these are different parameters. We having another parameter to accessing the data or reading the data just like we are using we are going to here we are using or function. We are using or function just like that we are using or query. So how to use this or query? db dot stores dot find. After that we are using and or functionality. Now use this then going to here. Now we are using same parameter we are using age. Now we're going to here using set age between 20 less than okay we are using age now we are using greater than equal to 19 not 19 okay 20 greater than equal to 20 we're using this parameter. Now age parameter is corrected. Now we are using a different another parameter. We have not another parameter checking which showing this of different. Okay, we are using only this parameter. Now we hit find that this bracket will be closed and this bracket will be closed. Now main bracket will be closed. After I make this bracket will close. Now we enter. It's showing error. Sorry. Code name bad value. All must be an array. Okay. We are using firstly we are getting this. So here we are using an array. Now we are getting error. Now we are checking syntax error after element this. Okay. This bucket will not use. After we are using this bucket. Now we enter and showing this. Using this age value greater than 20, 21, 22, and 20 we also show because using of equality function. Now we are using equality function. These are different way to how to reading the data. Now after that, if we are using updating the data, how to using update functions and updating the data. Updating the data. We are going to have this. Now we are using db dot toast dot. These also have two ways to updating the data. First is one and second is many. First is one, second is many. If we are going to explain first thing, one update one, which one we will update it like we were using name, which name we are using, our name is Preet. After that we are closing this bracket. Now this, now set checking using another object. This name is using set, and what we are going to explain this. So what you enter, just like we are using the name which we are using. It's waiting. It's waiting, and waiting is 4.8. Now closing the bracket. Now set bracket is closed. Now main bracket is closed. Now hit enter. Path is not defined. Okay, because path is a string function. Now we go to here and enter. Our database is updated. If we are going to checking our database is updated or not, so we are firstly using db dot toast dot find. We are using we are checking our name is, we are checking spread, not using our old data. Now control close the bracket. I mean bracket closed. Now using a query function. Wait enter and checking our rating is added. This is a systematic way to adding this, updating this function. Now second one, how to use many. Firstly we are going to db dot toast dot date many. We are going to firstly here and now check entered. Now we enter here different parameters to add these functions. Now db dot toast dot update many. Now its name is not name using, we are using a age. We are using a age. Now we are using a age function. Now its age is using a setting values greater than equal to. So firstly we are going to here. Now using a set function. Now this is a develop function. Now age is greater than equal to 20. Those who have a age greater than equal to 20. Now this bracket is also closed. Now new bracket is started. Now to luck set. Now after that we are using set, and now we are using this, and we have entered rating which must be 4.9. Now we control as to save. Now we are again main bracket is closed because of set function. Now the bracket is closed. Now our data is saved. Now we must have a age is 4.8 in breadth database. After that, if we are checking this, our rating is override by 4.9 using this update function. We are checking our database db dot data db dot stores dot. We are using db dot stores dot find. We also entered a parameter of age, which we entered age greater than. So we are using age is greater than equal to what parameter above than 20. Now we control as to, now we bracket also close. Now main bracket is closed. Dot pretty. Now see, our rating is 4.9, and 4.9 and 4.9 is updated. Our 4.8 rating is override by 4.9 using this update function. These are some systematic ways to how to creating the files, like using a create one and update one, insert one and insert many. After that, how to reading the using a read function, and after using find function and using different ways how to accessing the data. We are using this age functions value. If you're using this age parameter to checking this over. Now our update function is also done. Now after that, if we are using a, if we are going to another using this, we have now last one is how to delete the function, delete the database. This also same is the this also is one and many. We are using db dot stores dot delete, and you delete many, unless we have to, which we have to delete age. We are setting age is greater than equal to 20. This is a reading way of the main bracket close. Now we are using what we have to delete, what we are to deleting. Firstly, we are checking to our age is delete or not. If we are delete many age, we were going to here now checking our age is deleted or not. It's showing age is not defined, but we are going to here age age must be in 20 in using this greater than equal to 20. Now after that, we are using this and must be another this is possible check. Current root is not defined. If you are using age, if you are using name breathe. Now we close the bracket. Now we using closing this bracket. Now we enter. We have deleted this. Now we are going to db dot tours dot find dot pretty. Now we are into our breathe is deleted. Our pre database is deleted completely. Now this is our current operations in MongoDB. We have been exploring in this and repeating this. How to creating command is like a db.data.insert one and db.data.insert many. These are the commands for using to how to create or delete or how to create or insert the data in a one way in a only one data and it's a many data. After reading commands, we are using find function only for checking one name. Then this is for this the different parameters for we are using in age parameter. The age is greater than 50 and less than 50. After that, we are using over query. Over query is this. It means we give to two conditions, but if one condition is true and show result to us, we are only already exploring this. After updating commands, we are using db.update one and db.update many. Only we are updating one also we are done already. db.update many is not many one, it's many. We are already exploring on this, and this is our deleting command. We are using this. These are enough for me for today. This is only for CRUD operations in basic CRUD operations in MongoDB. And after that, we are getting. After we, I will do in using a MongoDB Compass GUI and then how to perform CRUD operations in the MongoDB GUI. Thank you.